To the Batmobile. Let's go.
Selamat sejahtera Dr. Yusmaidi. This video are prepared by Group Batman, which our project title is Steam Power Hydraulic Lift. Here is our group member, which have Tan Mei Fang, Aina Jurpina, Anissa, and Nur Shafika.
This is our proposal, and we're gonna explain this proposal. The fluid in container A is heated to form steam, then the steam flow to container B through the tube. Steam rate pressure inside the container B is higher, force the fluid to flow to container C. So, when the container C is increasing of fluid, it's getting heavier to lift the load. What is the steam power hydraulic lift? A steam power hydraulic lift is a mechanical system that combines steam pressure and hydraulic fluid pressure to lift heavy loads. The steam starts by heating water in a boiler to produce steam, which then expand and create pressure. The steam pressure is directed into a confined area connected to a piston. The force from the steam is transmitted through hydraulic fluid, usually water, in a closed system to another cylinder where a load is placed. The force applied by the steam is significantly amplified in this system due to Pascal law, which states that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted undiminished throughout the fluid. By controlling the steam pressure and the fluid volume, the hydraulic lift can move heavy objects with relatively small force applied at the steam source, making it an efficient solution for heavy lifting in construction, warehouse, and industrial setting.
Thermodynamic principles. Firstly, first law of thermodynamics. This principle states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only convert from one form to another. In the context of the steam power hydraulic lift, thermal energy heat from the steam is converted into mechanical work, lifting force. The experiment show how energy input steam is transformed into pressure and force in the hydraulic system, thereby demonstrating energy conservation. Secondly, Pascal law. This principle states that the pressure applied to an enclosed fluid is transmitted undiminished throughout the fluid in all directions. In the hydraulic lift system, when steam enters the cylinder, it creates pressure. This pressure is transmitted through the fluid, usually water, in the hydraulic system, resulting in amplifications of force exerted by the piston. The setup effectively shows how a small force applied to one piston can be amplified to lift heavier load by increasing the pressure. Apparatus that we use for the demonstrations is brake, tin biscuits, mini stove, bottle mineral, pulley, pipe, rope, container load, and timer.
This is the preparation and setup for our project. We are doing many trials to find suitable container for container B. We decide to use 1500 ml mineral bottle after succeed at third trials. Measure the mass of each clothes. First data is zero load. Then we increase the loads by added 5 coins for second data until fifth data. The result shows that time taken is perpendicular to load. When load increases, time taken increases.